Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, October 3rd, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather is a high of 85, a low of 64. It is sunny and there is a 4% chance of rain. For our breakfast, we are currently working on getting October's breakfast and lunch. We will have no breakfast and lunch slides for a couple days until we get further information. Today's announcements are attendance. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy just in case. There will be no library or technology classes next week. They will resume on October 10th. Today's late duty is Miss Overstreet. Important dates. October 3rd is Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd grade. October 6th is United Way out of uniform for $2. October 7th is the end of first quarter. October 10th is a teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter starts. October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through 21st is our book fair. October 17th is also our Red Cross Bloodmobile. October 21st is Kona Ice. October 28th and the 24th is Red Ribbon Week. Happy birthday! We have a lot of birthdays, so Sunday, Saturday, and Monday's birthdays are Dariana Murphy, Hayden Brown, Shelton Tripp, Kendrick Cruz, Markel Moy, Reagan Zine, Cynthia Johnson, Walton Hendon, Mayerly Elizabeth. Sorry if I pronounced anybody's names wrong. Question of the day. Send us your questions. If you are curious about something, always wondered how something works, send us your questions and it may be chosen for our research of the day. It may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered for our news slides. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library. That's all for today's news. I hope you have a marvelous Monday.